In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to use audio tracks and audio editing in Adobe Photoshop. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So let's get started.
Graphic Teacher.
You can check this timeline in my previous video. I have used all these cross effects and created this timeline. First, you have to go to click on that icon and add audio clip. I have this audio collection for this tutorial. I add a Swish soundtrack. This is a sound clip which I use mostly for transitions. This gives nice transition swish effect. Have a look. See, if you just give only transition, that is not much attractive, but with the sound it is much better. So I have that clip selected. I go to option, duplicate that audio clip and move to the next transition. Same thing, duplicate, move to next transition, repeating the same to all transitions. Means if I play all together, it's give me all transition effects. You can have a look. Now I want new audio track. So go to option, new audio track. This is new audio track and add audio. This is my collection of background music from YouTube audio library. I have added this and have a look. You can drag it there or cut the clip, whatever you like, and extend till end. And click on that icon option and just fade out to 1 second. Means it won't abruptly end. Yeah, it's now ending. Fade out. And I give a transition to video also to fade out with a background color. You can select any sound clip and change whenever you want. I want to replace this clip with another sound clip. You can mute audio on off a particular audio clip, or you can change that. You can replace that audio clip with another sound. See, these three options are that selected particular audio clip, like duplicate audio clip, deleted audio clip, or replace audio clip. These are selected audio clip. The option shows that selected audio clip. So I go to replace audio clip and I have a sound clip which is camera click. The camera click is shorter one, but it gives a nice effect. I just off the background track, see, and now with background music. Okay, this is fine. Now this is little, I want to move till in center. You can adjust the audio clip whenever you want. Like this, you can change any audio clip, selected audio clip, duplicate or replace. Right? I come back to the original sound clip, add different audio clip with smooth transitions. So I just go to next audio clip, in between audio clip, and just cut. Go to in between audio clip and cut. You can keep it, adjust the volume. I keep it 100 and have a look. I make it fade out 1 second, and this clip I start, this is already fade out. You can right click here or click there. This same thing. This clip is already fade out and I want to start from fade in 1 second, and I want this particular clip till 30 volume only, because you can add voiceover or any other dialogues on it. So like this way you can add audio clips. Same thing, I just replace this audio clip to the third music. I'm using the same another audio YouTube library. Just open and keep it same. This one goes fade out 1 second, okay, 30, and this one fade it from 1 second. Do same thing to this clip also. And now you can check both of them. It perfectly fade it and fade out from one audio clip to another one. You can play and check. Have a look. Yeah, that's it. And now you can go to export and render video. Keep a medium quality. This is already full HD video, and MP4 is a format with H264 video quality. Thank you. If you like my video, subscribe and press the bell icon, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you very much.